This is a video to demonstrate how to utilize Office 365 to request somebody upload files to a specific folder in your OneDrive. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your Office 365 portal, and you're going to navigate to your OneDrive. You're going to look in the left-hand column and you're going to click on My Files. And we'll just use the CTI swag folder as an example. So right here, once you click on that next to the folder that you want to request people upload files into, you're going to see some options appear at the top. You're going to navigate to Request Files. And the first question popping up is basically going to say, what do you want users to know you're requesting of them? In this situation, I just put the name of the folder, CTI swag order form, no worries. You're going to click Next, and then you've got two options here. The first option is to copy the link, and then you can send that from your Outlook. Another option is going to be to just simply type in an email address, and then you can add a message here. So I put in, please upload your documents to the secure folder using the link below. Please note you'll not be able to access documents within the folder, but you will have access to save new documents to this folder. You can customize that description to whatever fits depending on who you're sending it to. Once you go ahead and hit send, you get a verification that the file request was sent. And then here is an example of what the actual email looks like when it comes in. So it's going to just say, hey, this person is requesting files from you. You'll be able to see the message that you put in here. And then when you click on upload files, that will open up a window within SharePoint. You can select your files. And then if you're going to go to wherever you're storing your files, you can upload them to that folder. Let's just say, for example, if I was going to do this, I was going to grab any file. Just for an example, let's just go ahead and do, like, I don't know, Kaner's Christmas gift. Open it. It's going to say, do you definitely want to upload it or add more files? You say upload. Upload, finish uploading, and that's all there is to it. The end user can't access the folder or see what it is. All they're doing is dropping their stuff into that folder.